We shoot lots of things with the shotgun. Hundreds of things. And I do love a good fluid-filled container because I like to watch that hydraulic shock and watch that water blow the ends out or shatter a bottle. But the question has kind of been hanging over us the last few weeks. Is using the shotgun giving us the best bang for our buck, as you can see here? Or should we be playing with high-powered rifles instead? Much, much smaller rounds, way higher speeds. And so we set out to answer the question with pumpkins. Shotgun. Now the shot placement, it was a little high. It wasn't quite perfect. But you can see big chunks and relatively slow-moving lethargic splatter. But it has an awful lot of kinetic energy. Now let's compare that to a high-powered rifle round. First, a jug of water. Already you can see a tremendous difference. That hydraulic shock of that is frickin' amazing, as you can actually watch her compress down and then rebound back up. That is quite a bit more energetic. But what about the pumpkin itself? Another jello-filled pumpkin. Well, it's pretty epic. Here's the shot again, really slowed down. And you can see that bullet actually exit the backside of the pumpkin much slower than it came in, and more importantly, it has completely mushroomed. And I can back up and show that one more time. But first, look at Jack-o'-lantern's splatter gore. There was jello on stuff a good 30 feet away. It was quite the shot. Look for the bullet as it goes past Barb's head into the trees. Now I'm backing it up. You can see it come back into the pumpkin. Compare the size and the shape of it as it comes in and when it comes out. And you can actually see that the bullet has mushroomed. Very cool. So what did we learn from this scientific testing here? Well, high-speed rifle rounds are rifle rounds, shotgun slugs are shotgun slugs. Each does its own thing, its own way.
Wow! I had no idea that would happen to a pumpkin.
The shotgun slugs carry a lot more mass. The rifle rounds carry a lot more speed. When it comes to hydraulic shock, however, nothing is going to beat a high-powered rifle round. Thanks for watching.